Hello everyone! Today we'll be covering how to use the Blender add on Welder to merge Metahuman head and body models into a full body model. This will make the subsequent wrapping process easier. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll import the Metahuman head and body models. Use the default settings and click Import. As you can see, since Metahuman models use centimeters as their unit and Blender uses meters, the model appears very large here. It's been scaled up by a factor of 100. Okay, we click N, then click Welder. We'll select Merge Mode. First, select the head, then click the button to the right of the word Head, then the body. Select it. It's automatically set up. The names of the head and body, and the name of this mapping file. For a detailed explanation of these elements, you can watch another video on merging the models for the game character Eve. Okay. This diagonal length refers to the length of the diagonal of the minimum bounding box, 206.45 in centimeters. Note that the Metahuman model uses centimeters as the unit of measurement. Okay, this is the merging threshold, which is the shared vertices on the boundary between the head and the body. If the difference in their positions is less than 0.01% of this diagonal length, then they will be merged. The specific absolute value is this multiplied by 0.01%, which is 0.020646, or about 0.2 millimeters. Okay, the settings are complete. Let's save the file so we can proceed with the merge. Click Save. Let's name it Merge Metahuman. Click Save. Okay, then we click Merge. Okay, the merge was successful. Let's take a look at the result. Hide the original body model and then hide the head model as well. This is the model after merging. All right. This is the merged model. All right, that concludes the merging process. Next, we'll export this model for further processing. Let's export. Note that we need to select these. Deselect all of these. Deselect all of these. Leave these as they are. Then here, the name is Metahuman. Merge. Leave these as is. Deselect all of these, and then click Export. Okay, done. Let's verify it by creating a new file. Then import the result from the merge we just did. This one, keep all these settings as they are. Let's take a look. Okay, we can see that the result is correct. Let's take a look at its basic information. As you can see, x 170, y 172, 172.395. Alright, that's it for today's video.